Alright, so focus a whole lot been on the Cutlass, man. But we pretty much got the Cutlass damn near to the point where C10 is at, because we got kind of almost everything we need/want to do to it. So amps are installed. I just gotta finish wiring up the other high for the back deck, and that should be it. If those are the ones we choose to stick with, or we might just do a custom deck in the rear. I know I was talking about it in one video, and then I think I seen my man Mr. Randall. He posted a video about doing one or something like that. So shout out to Mr. Randall, man. You might just fuck around, be that last motivational step a nigga needed. Y'all don't push it over the edge. But yeah, so C10 been sitting out here on the streets, chilling, unattended, unfreaked with. Let's see if it's gonna crank over. Oh, that be dead. I knew that. Maybe somebody stole my battery. Oh no, the bat. No, oh, it's still here. Never mind. Alright, let me get a jump box. That bitch had been sitting for like a minute. Like, we had fixed the issue where it was dying in like a couple days, but now it's something different. Get my itty bitty jump box. Where's that other one at? Where that Kung Pao at, nigga? The Last Dragon ass jump box. I'm not gonna lie to you. When I forgot what it was I was jumping out. That bitch made a world of difference. I think it was the C10. Oh, there it is. The Home Pow, nigga. It be rated at 1500 amps, peak current of 3000, and as you can see, that bitch ain't saying shit. But that's how it be when you got goddamn fleet of cars. Boom, just like that. One pump. Well, it wasn't even no pump. I was gonna say one pump chunk, but nah. And that thing been sitting for a minute. Crank it up, give it some love. Yeah, I know the vibes. Make sure y'all subscribe to my and follow us on Instagram. Might have to get out and turn some corners today, man. Set that right there. I'm gonna let that run for a minute. That tire look mighty low in the front, man. Try to put some air in that thing. Musical trucks. Cars, whatever you want to call it. Musical vehicles. Alright, so I just seen, man, this motherfucker leaking goddamn transmission fluid again. It look like it's the pan gasket, to be honest. It definitely look like it's the pan. Well, I can't see it from here. I got up under the truck already. But yeah, it definitely look like it's the pan. I'ma still like I said, let it run. Let the juices flow or whatever. Then I cut it off. I was gonna put some air in it, but I'm trying not to go nowhere today. Like, still bring y'all this content, but I ain't like trying to go nowhere today. You know what I'm talking about? So be ripping and running all week, man. Shit. On the weekend, I'm gonna be wanting to sit my ass down. I was supposed to go pick up my shit from the cleaners today, but guess what? Shit, that shit can get picked up Monday. All good, baby. All good. Yeah. I want to say I fixed that fuel gauge too, so it actually, in the near future, need to probably get some gas. But probably won't be till like the new year. Like, maybe they'll make a good New Year video. Be like, we're gonna go fill up all the cars with gas or some shit. Legend has it that the fans legend has it that the fans never went off, nigga. Alright, so that'll bring us back over here to the cut, dog. It got me thinking when I was saying that shit, man. I was like, shit, I need to fix the damn Tach. The Tach and the damn Cutlass. Alright, so the resolution was at 3. We changed it to 6 to see if it was gonna make a difference. On the other stuff that I've seen, it was also at 6. So we are going to start the scanner, get our gauges, connect to the vehicle, and then that way we'll have something to compare it to. So now it's reading about where it's supposed to be. Before, it was reading a whole lot higher. Alright, so we good on the Tach. That was a simple fix. I knew that. They got music and we got Tach. You don't like fucker, I don't give a motherfucker. So we got everything, nigga. We got the Tach And we got the tunes, nigga. Tach and tunes. Alright, so that's it.